Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make cheesy Ritz crackers. Real tasty and it's a perfect thing to have for snacks. So, let's get started. Alrighty, get a plate and get some Ritz crackers. Just put them like evenly on the plate, and you can put as many as you want. And then you get some cheese, which is like 100% that you use. Now, this is the best one to use, the thick cup, because those are the ones that actually melt very well. So, we'll top the crackers up with some cheese. Now, so I'll put this in the microwave for about 30 to 40 seconds to let the cheese melt. And then we'll taste them. Oh, beautiful. Well, I've got a German recipe for a cheesy Ritz cracker, as you can see. Oh, the cheese is perfect for your melting, and now just make sure they're cool up a little bit, because they'll come out of the microwave like really hot. So just be careful not to burn yourself. So, oh, perfect. Let's try it. Perfect. So thank you guys so much for watching the new recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you on next Wednesday for a new recipe. Peace out.